Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. So today in this video I'm going to quickly show you how do you get your Teespring URL, so your store URL. So let's get into the videos. So what you have to do is firstly log into your Teespring account. So obviously, so just logged into your account. So once you're on your page here, all right, once you're logged in, so what happened here on your top left here, click on your name. All right, okay, sorry, not on your name, so under your name. So click under your name. So under your name you'll see an option called listings, so click on listings. So when you click on listings here, you will see your store name, and then next to it you will see a URL. So that is actually your store URL. So what you can do, you can just like copy that, so that's your store URL, and then you can share it in any way, in means, so in any means you want. So that's pretty much your store URL. So it's if you can just copy, and then if you straight away paste it to your, if you paste on a new page, and it will straight away take you to your store. So that's your store, that's my store here. So that's how you get your URL. So hope this video is helpful. I'll see you guys in another video.